If you're in need of one of the best telescopes for astrophotography, then you've come to the right place. A good telescope is able to bring the mysteries of the night sky closer. Our today's video about best 5 telescope that's are available in the market. Hope this video helped to make your decision easier. If you want to know prices and more information about the products that mentions in this video, you may check the link in description box below. And now let's continue. Starting at number 5. Celestron PowerSeeker 127 EQ. The Celestron PowerSeeker range of telescopes is specially designed for aspiring astronomers. This 127mm aperture Newtonian reflector is the top model in that range and a popular telescope for beginner to intermediate astronomers. Coming from Celestron, an award-winning brand with over 50 years of experience in the telescope market, you can be assured of the quality. Our Celestron 127 EQ review looks at what, if any, compromises they have made to produce the scope at such a desirable price. Features of this item: optical design, Newtonian reflector, aperture, 127mm, 5 inches, focal length, 1000 mm, 39 inches, focal ratio, f/7.87 eyepieces included, 20 mm, 50x magnification, 4 mm, 250x magnification, 3x Barlow lens highest useful magnification, 250x lowest useful magnification, 18x limiting stellar magnitude, 13 finder scope, 5x24 mount, aluminum German Equatorial optical tube length, 508 mm, 20 inches, dimensions, 33 x 17 x 11 inches, weight, fully assembled 21.38 pounds. Number 4. Celestron NexStar Evolution Telescope. The Celestron NexStar Evolution Telescope series is the latest creation from Celestron, a multi-year work in progress. The engineers at Celestron have collected the requests of their customers and put them all into one beautiful telescope. We recently had the opportunity to get hands-on experience with the Celestron NexStar Evolution 8 telescope. The Celestron NexStar Evolution mount is a thing of genius. Built with manual clutches, the Evolution is one of the first fork-mounted computerized telescopes that can be used without being powered. Features of this item: crisp views with no defects, easy to set up, high-quality design. Control your telescope wirelessly from your iOS or Android smartphone or tablet with the free Celestron mobile app with planetarium interface and Skyline technology. Compact, portable Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope with Starbright XLT optical coatings and FastR compatibility. Computerized go-to mount with high-performance worm gears and motors for improved tracking accuracy, along with reduced gear backlash. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery with enough power for 10 hours of continuous observing. Improved industrial design with manual clutches and integrated carry handles, plus the added convenience of 2 accessory trays and a USB charge port for your smart device. Number 3. Meade Starnavigator NG 114. The Meade Instruments provides a complete observational platform with the Starnavigator NG 114mm f/8.8 go-to reflector telescope. Configured with a Newtonian reflector optical path, it features a large parabolic primary mirror that helps to correct chromatic aberration, producing images with accurate colors across the entire field of view. Its long focal length, combined with the large aperture, produces bright and clear images of nearby objects within our solar system, plus bright deep sky subjects such as galaxies and nebulae. Features of this item: 114mm Newtonian reflector OTA, 1000mm focal length, f/8.8 focal ratio, anti-reflection multi-coated optics, 1.25 focuser, 9mm and 26mm eyepieces, single fork arm motorized Alt-A-Z mount, Audio Star computer hand controller, updatable 30,000 plus object database, 1 or 2 star, and easy alignment, audio commentary on 500 objects. Number 2. Orion Observer 270mm Equatorial Refractor Telescope. The Orion Observer 270 EQ Refractor Telescope features an achromatic glass objective lens that's 70mm in diameter, with a focal length of 700mm, f/10. This glass lens takes in 36% more light than a 60mm lens for brighter, clearer views. Bottom line, you'll see more than you would through telescope with a smaller aperture. The refractor telescope optical tube is outfitted with a 1.25 rack and pinion focuser on one end and a dew cap by glare shield on the other. The telescope tube is supported by the EQ1B Equatorial mount, which features slow motion control knobs that allow you to manually track celestial objects you see in the Observer 270 refractor. The telescope tube and equatorial mount are supported on an aluminum tripod that can be adjusted to a comfortable height for virtually any observer. This telescope looks so good, you'll want to keep your Observer 270mm refractor on display when you're not using it. The Observer 270mm telescope comes with everything you need to start observing the night sky right away. Two included telescope eyepieces, a 25mm and 10mm Kellner, provide two different magnification options right out of the box. Each eyepiece features anti-reflection coating to help optimize your observations of the night sky. We recommend starting with the 25mm ocular to obtain wide, 28x views. Then for closer looks, you can boost the power all the way up to 70x by using the 10mm telescope eyepiece. An included accessory tray for the tripod provides a convenient spot to keep your eyepieces ready for action. The included red dot sight makes aiming the telescope nice and easy. Following a simple alignment procedure that parents can help with, you can use the reflex sight to accurately aim the Observer 270mm telescope at objects in the sky like the moon and bright planets. Number 1 Celestron Advanced VX 9.25 EdgeHD Telescope. The Celestron Advanced VX Mount and C9.25 telescope is our top recommended telescope. The Celestron Advanced VX Mount and C9.25 telescope make for an impressive setup that packs a punch in terms of viewing potential. Easy to transport and straightforward to assemble, the C9.25's 9.25-inch, 235mm, aperture is generous, gathering a third more light than an 8-inch, 200mm, reflector. Its f/10 optics put it in the slow category and, in theory at least, it is best suited for solar system objects. About this item, all new Advanced VX Mount, 9.25 f/10 Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope, features all-star polar alignment for fast polar alignment, flash upgradable NexStar hand controller, high-performance features in a travel-friendly size, great-sized aperture, high-quality optics for flat field, seamless motorized mount. In short, all we know is that in the current climate, it's hard to predict when and if we'll see deals on telescopes. We'll be keeping a close eye out for any price drops that do occur, and our dedicated tool will pull in all the cheapest prices on the products in our ranking at all times, so you can be sure you're not overpaying. So if you think this video is helpful to take your decision, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming videos.